In our Catholic tradition, Saint Peter is known to be heaven's gatekeeper. It is interesting to note that the town in Laguna was named after him. San Pedro is also a gatekeeper of sorts as Laguna's gateway to Metro Manila. The city of San Pedro is also a popular religious tourist destination, with its historic San Pedro Church and the shrine of the miraculous Lolo Wengs in Landayan, which attracts about 25,000 devotees on Friday and about 500,000 pilgrims during Lenten season. With the strong faith of its residents, it is not surprising to find many companies that manufacture religious images and liturgical items thriving in the city. One of these is St. Jude International Export Corporation. It has been said that Filipinos celebrate the longest Christmas season, and companies like St. Jude International Export Corporation make the holiday special with their dazzling decor. Since 2004, it has been active in showcasing its unique Christmas decors in trade fairs, exhibits, and Christmas bazaars.
Bali, nag-start nga kami doon sa birdhouse. Yun ang first shipment namin. The second, mga angel na. Throw cup ko. So, after nun, nag-develop na kami ng mga Holy Family tsaka angels. Na nagtuloy-tuloy until now. Actually, nakikita ko rin naman sa ibang mga sa ibang exhibit na mayroong mga ganitong item. So, ito ang napili ko, parang maganda ang dating, parang maluag ba sa loob ang dating ng mga ganitong item.
Tsaka pag naging lalagay kami ng ibang items, talaga hindi umaano sa amin.
Hindi nakiklik.
Hindi yung nakiklik, masiga anong kaganda. Basta ito lang talaga ang namin.
Their products are so attractive and so exquisitely handcrafted that one cannot help but admire its lifelike quality and its fine attention to details.
Nung nag-start kami mag-asawa, bali 5 tao lang kami. Yung misis ko ako, tsaka isang assembler, isang body former, isang artist. Yung nagdi-design ng ulo, yung naglalagay ng mga mata, yung mukha, yung painting ng mukha. Yun ang role ng artist, yung nagpe-painting ng mukha. Actually, nag-start kami sa terrace lang ng bahay namin eh. Doon namin pinrodyo sa ang orders namin eh. Para ba tayong tinatawag na small time business nga eh. Kung ang terms ng iba doon, backyard vendor. Yan.
It is no wonder that 50 to 60% of their products are so in demand in many European countries like Germany, Portugal, Sweden, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Chile, and Panama, and a big favorite in Dubai and Japan. Thank you very much, Mr. and Ms. Gaitos. Whenever we celebrate Christmas and Easter, St. Jude International Export Corporation products will surely be there to make the season extra special.